Guys, this one's gonna be tips and tricks for digging through rock. Even if you have good auger teeth, like even those teeth right there are really nice. You've got carbide teeth, brand new, with carbide inserts. But if you take a look at this auger, just a second ago we couldn't dig a hole there. We were absolutely stuck at about 1 foot. But what I've learned in the past is not a lot of stuff will hold you up except for that pilot that's on the auger. If you've ever used one of these augers and you haven't tried this, without a pilot, that auger will wander around all over the place and it's hard to get anything started. And if you're in hard ground and you run into a point where your auger won't go down anymore and you're working it and you're doing everything you can and it just seems to stop, there's not really like a boulder, just hard compact ground or sandstone. It's the pilot bit that prevents the teeth from digging, because the pilot has to go in the ground first. And the pilot that's on there is about 3 inches long or more, and if you look at that, I already took it out. So just take that bolt off, cut it off, do whatever you do, it's welded, and then that has a flat plate now on the surface of those teeth for digging now. And so you can get really aggressive now, because the first thing that is going to hit the dirt is actually the teeth. And it won't wobble now because I've already pre-drilled the pilot hole. So we'll come down here and we'll give an example.